Hello baddies and besties, I'm going to be showing you how I do a lash lift using our new Lightheart lash lifting system in 5 minutes, so grab a snack and study along. We want to start out with our Lightheart Lash Gentle Foaming Cleanser to give ourselves as squeaky clean of a surface to work on as we possibly can. The amazing thing about our lash lifting kit is you can use it for Korean style lash lifts with a flat shield and then a regular shield, or you can use it for a hybrid, or some call it a standard lash lift, where you're only using one shield, you don't have to switch shields. So that's what we're going to be doing today. After cleansing, we're going to tape. You can use foam tape for really stubborn bottom lashes. You can use gel pads. I'm going to be using our peptide eye mask because this also doubles as a little skin treatment while their lashes are processing. Next, we are going to upper tape, especially if your clients have a little bit of excess lid skin. You want to make sure that you're applying the shield onto as flat of a surface as possible. So I'm going to use Nichibon tape, and I'm going to slightly pull up the outer corner and inner corner so I can place that shield down nice and flat. Also, using our peptide eye mask as under eye pads is actually such a big hack. I wasn't doing this and I had so many lash artists be like, my clients are obsessed with it, you have to try. And I tried it and all my clients are also obsessed with how it feels. Okay, before we can apply our first step, we have to pop some shields on. I chose some shields for her and just applied a very, very, very teeny weeny amount of glue balm. This is a very, very soft balm. It's not extremely sticky, but it does help create just a little bit of tack to our silicone pads. So I'm going to place those as close to the lash line as I can without smushing the lashes. And then I'm going to take a small amount of glue balm on a micro swab and paint the natural lashes up the shield. Now, glue balm is optional, but for lashes that are downward facing and very, very thick and coarse like these lashes, applying a little bit of glue balm really helps me stay controlled. And the tiniest bit goes a long way. I like to press the lashes up using a plastic Y comb. Once those lashes are laid nicely on the shield, we're going to go in with our step 1 lifting cream. Now, depending on the thickness of the lashes, you are going to make sure to start a timer as soon as you place that solution on the natural lashes. Now, this is a cysteamine-based formula. It is not a TGA formula, meaning that it's extremely gentle and you can apply it from root to tip. This step 1 is going to be softening the natural lashes and breaking down those disulfide bonds, so the lashes are becoming pliable and flexible and ready for step 2. The most precise controlled application possible, I like to use our long tip micro swabs. I'm going to pop the recommended timings on the screen here. Everyone's lashes needs to process for a different amount of time. This is extracurricular, but one thing that I like to do is use these small strips of paper just to keep my work really even, and it helps the lashes not pop off the shields. I'm checking to make sure that the natural lashes are softening and they feel nice and flexible. Our lifting cream is a really special formula because not only is it cysteamine based, but it's also made with flavonoids and a rich blend of copper peptides. Remove the first step with a dry cotton bud, and then we're going to go in with our step 1.5. This is called our booster conditioner. Now, this is a 4-step system, not your usual 3-step system. This magical little potion hydrates and nourishes the natural lash during the lash lift and not just as a final step. It smells like a luxurious leave-in conditioner hair mask. It's also not thick and doesn't leave a film on the natural lashes. Once you apply this, you can go straight in with step 2. No need to remove it. My clients have the most healthy, nourished lashes post-lash lift and during their grow out, and I credit a lot of it to how I actually lift the lashes from start to finish. Next, we're going to go immediately in with step 2. This is the neutralizing lotion. Now, because this is a hybrid lash lift and not a Korean lash lift, we can just use the same shield. We don't have to switch shields at this point. What step 2 does is stabilize the natural hair structure after step 1. If this all seems very complicated to you, think of it like this. Step 1 is softening the lash as much as possible, and step 2 is locking that hair in place. Once it is set for the recommended timing, you're going to remove step 2 with a cotton bud. This is an optional step, but if you want to tint the lashes, you're going to do it right now. Mix up my tint and just apply it with a long tip micro swab to the entire natural lash on this exact same shield. Everything is done on the same shield. After we let the tint sit for the recommended timing, we're going to remove it with a cotton bud, and then it's time to remove everything else. This is the most satisfying part. We are going to peel off the shields. My clients always rave about how soft our jelly texture shields are, and the peptide eye mask. The combo is just so nice around the eye area. Let's remove every little bit of tape, and then we're going to finish off with the moisturizing serum. Our moisturizing serum is infused with aloe vera hyaluronic acid, and lots of nourishing botanicals and other extracts. Favorite thing about the Light Heart Lash Lift 4-part system is that between every chemical processing step, we are hydrating, nourishing, and moisturizing the natural lashes. So after the already gentle cysteamine-based lifting cream, we use our booster conditioner, and then after that, we neutralize, and then we use the moisturizing serum. So between every step, our lashes are healthy and happy and nourished. You guys, I've been lifting lashes for 8 or 9 years, and when I tell you, I have never loved lash lifting as much as I have until right now. I mean it. I hope you love the Light Heart Lash Lifting System, and I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you fall in love with lash lifting as much as I have.